Hello students, here is the question. Here we are given two statements and we need to identify if the statements are true or not. So if you look at statement 1, hydrogen peroxide can act both as acidic medium, oxidizing agent or reducing agent in basic medium. So if you look at the small piece of information I've gathered over here, you will be able to understand that hydrogen peroxide will behave both oxidizing and reducing agent in both acidic and basic medium. This is because the oxidation state of oxygen in hydrogen peroxide is -1. You can calculate it as we know how hydrogen's oxidation number is +1 every time. So we have two hydrogen atoms, we take +2 in this case, plus 2x. X is the oxidation number for oxygen in this case. Because we have two oxygen atoms, we write 2 over here, and x comes out to be -1. And we know oxygen can exhibit two oxidation numbers. One is 0 in oxygen molecule and the other is -2, which is the basic oxidation number that we get in, let's say, water or hydroxide. That is, if we remove H plus from that case, we get OH minus, and from that we can get oxygen's oxidation number as -2. And we know that oxidation can either reduce its oxidation number to oxidize other species, or reduce its oxidation number or oxidize itself and reduce other compounds. So we know that this is a factual part over here. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent but a weak reducing agent. So statement 1 is correct. But what about statement 2? Now this is a factual statement over here. In the hydrogen economy, energy is transmitted in the form of a dihydrogen. We know energy, we can get an energy from a dihydrogen molecule. So statement 2 is correct if we know what the statement actually tells us. So this is the answer, option B. Thank you.